All right, guys, real quick, springtime maintenance on your chainsaw. Just go over a couple things you should do to get it ready for the season. Anybody can do this at home. There's no reason to take your saw in and first thing you want to do is pop your top cover. Take your air cleaner out. This one's in pretty good shape. I'll just blow it out with air. I picked up a spark plug and a new chain. We'll get this done and then you'll know how to maintenance your saw for the season. All right, first thing you want to do is pop your side cover. This saw's a 13 millimeter. A lot of saws are going to be that. Some will be different. So once you get your side cover off, what you're going to want to do is slip the chain off the end of the bar. Then you can pull the guide bar out of the way. Then you can get the chain out from behind the clutch. Got our brand new Oregon chain. But first we're going to clean some of this shit out of the side and out of the cover. Usually just some air will do the trick. It don't have to be perfect. One piece of wood and it's going to look just like it did in the first place. Do the same thing with the cover. Grab our new chain. You always want the teeth on top of the bar facing forward. Then go ahead and loop it around the end of the bar. Pull it tight, and then you're going to have to back your adjuster out a little ways. Just snug that, and then we'll turn the adjuster until the chain gets up in the bar, and then we'll I like to tighten it till it touches the bar all the way around. Then we'll run it for a minute and probably retighten it. Now some guys really torque this nut down. It doesn't have to be that tight. Just like that. Here's our old plug. And there's our new one. I like to hand tighten those and then give them about a 1/8 of a turn. Crush the washer. And that's that. Put your air filter back on. Your top cover. And now we'll run it for a second with that new chain. And after running it, the chain stayed good. After the first tank of gas, you might have to tighten it up a bit, but it's ready to go for the season. Have a good day, guys. See you next time.